Now the next periodic table is that is Lothar-Meyer curve. Okay. Now this Lothar-Meyer curve is also quite feasible. Okay. So what that is based on what? This is the based on the atomic mass and atomic volume. Okay. Atomic mass and atomic volume. So what they said, this law is saying, student, when you are going, that is when you are arranging the arranging in increasing order of the there the what we are doing here, we are arranging the atoms in their increasing order of the atomic masses. Okay, so when what we are finding is, student, you are this saying that is similar position, similar properties. Okay, they said, Lothar Meyer said, that is similar position, whatever he said, that is similar position proportional to similar properties. Okay, similar properties. Dear friend, when you are talking about similar position, how they are arranging this, arranging in the increasing order of atomic masses. So what you are finding, student, you are finding that is whatever the, suppose the, if any element are finding the peak position, suppose lithium is there. Okay, then it will come, that is sodium. Okay, then what will come, this is the potassium, then after that rubidium will come, and finally it will come, that is cesium. So these many elements are there. So top element, when you are going to talk about, that is top element. So top elements are what? That is alkali metal. Okay, so why alkali metal are kept on the top? They are taking the top position because their atomic masses are very high. So alkali metals, you take, this is what this is known as, student, that is peak. Peak means what, student? Alkali metal. Peak means what? Alkali metal. Alkali metals also you can say, that is, student, you say that is metal. And when you are going for the, student, for the other, okay, alkaline earth metal, so where you will be able to keep, so wherever the descending order is there, student, descending order, so this is the descending order. So at the descending order, here is also descending order. So descending order of the curve, you put the alkaline earth metal, beryllium. Then here will come, that is magnesium. Here will come, student, calcium. Descending means going down. And then it will coming, what with, student, it is coming the strontium. And finally this will come is barium. And when you are, so means descending order, descending. So descending means what is coming, student? Alkaline earth metal. Alkaline, what is coming, student? Alkaline earth metal. Okay. Because of its small board, student, it may be little difficult to understand, but again I will try to explain it to you. When ascending is there, student, when you are going ascending, okay, so ascending means what will come, student? This is ascending line here. So here if you talk about this one, student, so this one come for fluorine, and this ascending line, that is chlorine, this ascending line, that is bromine, and this ascending line, this is iodine. So ascending line means what, student? This is coming the halogens. Okay, ascending line means halogen. Now the last why the minima, that is, these are the minima. When you are talking about minima of curve, so in the minima of curve, what will be there, student? There will be the transition metal. Like here if you go, that is cobalt, this will come copper, here is the ruthenium, here will come rhodium. So R is that is this all with that. So that is minima of the curve will take what, student? This will take, that is transition metal. So minima of the curve will take, that is transition metal. So this is all about the Lothar-Meyer curve. And so if you want to see, student, so peak is taken by the alkali metal, and descending of the curve is taken alkaline earth metal, ascending of the curve is taken by the halogen, and the minima of the curve, whatever the there is a this is the depression is there, that minima will take the transition metal. Now this one, if you want to know, that is how the principle of this one Lothar-Meyer curve, little the principle you can write, student, that is curve you can draw, student. Okay, easily you can draw, but in the curve what we have to key, special emphasis we have to give, that is the peak should take the alkali metal, and descending order alkaline earth metal, ascending order halogens, and that is the minima is taking, what it will take, minima will take, student, that is minima will take, that is the transition metal. Now, student, how the, if you are talking law, so law is when elements are arranged, when elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic masses, increasing order of atomic masses, increasing order of atomic masses, order of atomic masses on graph, atomic masses on graph, then atomic masses on graph, then similar position, then similar position, then similar position elements have similar properties, have similar properties, have similar properties. So if you talk about a student, suppose peak is there. So peak, what they are taking, peak is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. They all is having the same properties. If the descending, if you talk about the student descending, so what is coming descending? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. This is also having the same property. If you are going for ascending friend, ascending of the curve, what are there? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So what you are finding, this is also very much applicable. This law is very much applicable for the elements, but this law also fail for the all the elements. So why this law is fail? Limitation is what, student? It is difficult to represent all the elements. Okay, that is why this law is fail, that you will not be able to represent all the elements on the graph. Okay, because 118 elements are there, it is very difficult to represent all the element on a small graph, means the representation on paper is not possible. So first failure is limitation. When you are going to write the friend, if you want to write the limitation, so what we can write? Limitation representation is difficult. Now another is there. First one is the limitation is difficult. Second one is no proper explanation for elements. Okay, for elements in graph. So even that is, they did not represent for the noble gases also. That is why this periodic table failed. This is all about the Lothar-Meyer curve.